Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Squirrel Skinner is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone involved in traditional hunting or food preparation. This video will dive deep into the world of squirrel skinning tools, exploring their design, functionality, and the crucial role they play in ensuring a safe and efficient process. We'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect tool for your needs, so you can skin squirrels like a pro. Number 5. Old-timer 152 OT Sharpfinger Fixed Blade Knife. Introducing the Old-timer 152 OT Sharpfinger Knife. This classic fixed blade knife is designed for a variety of outdoor tasks. It's a reliable tool you can count on. The blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring durability and edge retention. This knife is built to withstand tough conditions, making it a dependable companion. Featuring a full tang design with an ergonomic saw-cut Delrin handle, it provides a secure and comfortable grip. The handle design ensures the knife feels balanced in your hand. It comes with a brown leather belt sheath for easy and safe carry. This allows for quick access whenever you need it, making it ideal for everyday use. The thumb rise and finger choil provide added security and control while using the knife. You can have confidence that the blade will not slip during use. This product is backed by Old Timer's lifetime warranty. If you have any questions, please contact Old Timer's customer service. What we like. This knife features a durable stainless steel blade, perfect for tough tasks. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions. If you are looking for a reliable, long-lasting knife for hunting or outdoor activities, you should consider this one. What people say. The tool works great. The design is perfect for the job. It is well made and functions as it should. Number 4. Outdoor Edge WildGuide 4-piece hunting kit. This hunting kit has everything you need to get the job done quickly. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for any hunting trip. This set includes all the essential tools. The kit features 2 knives, a gut hook skinner and a caping knife. The blades are made of 420J2 stainless steel and are full tang for durability. They are designed to handle any task in the field. Included is a T-handle bone and wood saw. It's designed for efficient cutting and is easy to handle. This saw is a valuable tool for any hunter. The knives and saw feature non-slip blaze orange rubberized TPR handles. This provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions. This ensures safety and control while using the tools. The set comes with a mossy oak camo nylon sheath. It hangs from your belt and rotates for easy access to the saw. The sheath keeps everything organized and within reach. Weighing only 11.4 ounces, this kit is easy to carry. It won't weigh you down on your hunting trips. It's the perfect combination of tools and portability. What we like. This kit provides multiple tools for field dressing. The non-slip handle ensures safe handling in any weather. If you are a hunter who needs a comprehensive set for efficient field dressing, you should choose this. What people say. Light and durable, this 4-inch blade with hook cutter works great. Knives hold great edge. Super sharp and sturdy. Number 3. Camillus 9-inch Multipurpose Game Shears, 19403. This is a versatile tool designed for various tasks. It includes a bone notch, bottle opener, wood saw, nutcracker, and screwdriver. It's perfect for outdoor activities and kitchen use. The shears come with a custom-molded sheath for safety. The sheath has a belt clip, making it easy to carry. It protects the blades when not in use. The blades are made of titanium-bonded 420 stainless steel. This makes them 3 times harder than regular stainless steel. It provides corrosion and adhesive resistance, keeping it sharper longer. These shears measure 9 inches in overall length. The blade length is 4 inches. This size makes it easy to handle and use. Camillus has been a trusted name in knives for over a century. They continue to provide reliable and innovative tools. This product is a testament to their commitment to quality. What we like. These multipurpose scissors are perfect for various tasks, from dressing game birds to kitchen use. The titanium-bonded blades offer superior durability and corrosion resistance. If you like a versatile tool with safety features, you should consider these. What people say. They seem to work really well, nice and sharp, and the quick breakdown capability is really nice for cleaning. They have been excellent for processing squirrel while in the field. It can easily cut through small bones and seems to be a lot safer than wielding a hunting knife for the little critters. Number 2. Highwild Deer Skinner Hide Puller. This tool is built to last, with a black painted surface. It's designed to withstand any weather condition, whether it's frozen or fresh. The non-slip material ensures a secure grip. The elliptical handle is specially designed for a better grip. This design makes it easier to hold and operate, reducing pressure on your wrist during use. The gripping teeth and scissor action make skinning easier. It firmly grasps the skin, allowing you to separate it from the carcass with ease. It's compact and easy to carry. You can easily pick it up with one hand. If you're strong enough, you can even skin the game with just one hand. Remember to keep it closed when not in use. The screw ensures it stays tight during operation, providing a secure and reliable experience. What we like. This tool is designed for easy and efficient skinning. The elliptical handle design provides a comfortable and secure grip. If you are looking for a tool that simplifies the skinning process, you should choose this. What people say. They're steel, so they are pretty sturdy. They worked perfectly. The harder you pull, the tighter it grips. Number 1. Astro DS1000 Pneumatic Door Skinning Tool. This is the Astro DS1000, a pneumatic door skinning tool. It's designed to make your job easier and more efficient. With this tool, you can save both time and money. The Astro DS1000 is constructed from durable materials. This ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. This tool facilitates one-hand operation. This feature allows you to work more comfortably and efficiently. It gives you greater control and ease of use. The Astro DS1000 is designed to save you time and reduce costs. It streamlines the door skinning process. It's a valuable tool for any professional. The item package dimension is 11.0 L x 5.5 W x 3.5 H. It's compact and easy to store. It's a practical addition to your toolkit. What we like. This tool is designed to save you time and money. It's constructed from durable materials and allows for one-hand operation. If you are looking for a tool that streamlines the door skinning process, you should consider this. What people say. It makes the crimps nice, tight, and even. All you have to do is crimp the corners and style lines in the door, then slightly bend in the rest of the skin. After that, you can simply run this tool around the remainder of the door and get a nice tight factory-looking seam. I used this door skin flanging tool to complete closure of the lower and side flanges on replacement patch panels for a 67C10 I am working restoring, and for the price and the limited number of times in my life I expect to use this, it is perfect for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.